I'm going to sing you a song called Craigieburn-wood by Robert Burns. He wrote this for a fellow exciseman, John Gillespie, who'd fallen madly in love with Jean Lorimer. So he put their names in the song, and this is the version of the song that he sent to John Gillespie when he first wrote it. And it, I think, is the best version. I'll talk about it more after I sing it. So I'm singing this in Scots. A walkin' is awaken. Canna, munna, and dorna are cannot, must not, and dare not. And when he says, well, 'twill be my deed, be my dead, my death. So here we go. Craigieburn-wood. Sweet closes the evening on Craigieburn-wood, and blithely awakens the morrow. But the pride o' the spring in the Craigieburn-wood can yield me naught but sorrow. I see the spreading leaves and flowers, I hear the wild birds singing, but pleasure they need for me, while care my heart is wringing. I canna say, I mauna say, I don't for your anger, but secret love will break my heart if I conceal it longer. I see the graceful, straight and tall, I see thee sweet and bonny, but oh, what will my torments be if thou refuse thy journey? To see thee in another's arms, in love to lie and languish, 'twill be my deed that will be seen, my heart would burst with anguish. But Jeannie, say thou wilt be mine, say thou lose me before me, and all my days of life to come I'll gratefully adore thee. So Burns sent that lyric to the Scots Musical Museum with the old chorus, which he had, he collected the tune and the song, but he wrote new lyrics. And the chorus, to add a chorus after each one of those verses, as you can imagine, is an interminable drag. And so it was published kind of not in its original form, which I've just given you. And you can go to the Burns Scotland website and look under manuscripts and look for Craigieburn-wood, and you'll see it. And then he revised it for his second publisher, George Thompson, after he'd fallen under the spell of Jean Lorimer himself. So Yeah. He took the names out and some of the ballad quality, and he kind of stylized it, all the life out of the song. So that was, he cut it from 6 verses to 4. So I'm working on a book called Glorious Work, which is a Burns songbook. And in general, what I find is that his original drafts are almost always the best when he was in the writing zone. And then he would overthink things when he revised them to send to a publisher, or there'd be other reasons why he would change them. Some of them were too politically radical, but generally the initial inspiration, as he put it, I am in song, those lyrics. So anyway, hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be putting up a lot more Burns songs very soon.